So, what the heck is a funnel and why do you need one? You've probably heard the term funnel tossed around in marketing circles, but if you're thinking, okay, but what the heck is a funnel really and why should I care? You're not alone. Let's break it down in a way that actually makes sense, but without the bro marketing jargon. So, what is a funnel? A funnel is just a fancy marketing word for the journey someone takes from, hey, this is cool, to, I need this in my life. It's not a weird, pushy sales tactic. It's not some overly complicated system you need a PhD to figure out. Think of it like dating. So, step one is awareness. You see someone cute across the room and they catch your eye, aka they find you on social media or through a friend. Then there's interest. You strike up a conversation, maybe you exchange numbers, aka they sign up for your freebie or your newsletter. Then you move into consideration. You text back and forth, you go on a few dates, you're vibing, aka they want to engage with your content, attend a webinar, hop on a call. And then conversion. They pop the question, or you do, and you're all in, aka they buy from you. Then you move into the last stage, which is where you want to stay after they've bought from you, which is retention. You build a happy and thriving relationship, aka they stick around, refer people, and keep buying from you. A funnel is not about rushing people to the sale. It's about creating a connection and guiding them at their own pace. But why you need a funnel is important. And it's especially important because people are overstimulated and distracted. Picture this. Someone finds your business, loves your vibe, and thinks, ooh, I love what they're doing, I should follow them. And then they forget you exist because life happens. ADHD kicks in, their dog starts barking, they open 37 tabs on their computer, and then they never return to yours. A funnel keeps the conversation going. It helps people stay connected to your business and move forward towards working with you in a way that feels natural, non pushy, and is actually helpful. Without a funnel, you're just another thing they scroll past and forget. So, what makes a funnel actually work? Not all funnels are created equal. Some are chef's kiss, and others feel like a trap you can't escape. Looking at you, obnoxious buy now or regret it forever countdown timers that we all know are fake. Here's what makes a great funnel. First of all, it's clear. There's no guesswork. People know exactly what to do next. It's engaging. It keeps them interested instead of zoning out. It's relevant. It speaks directly to what they need. It's values driven. It gives them helpful content and not just a sales pitch. It's very important. It should be flexible, lets people take action at their own pace, no pressure, and just good vibes. So the stages of the funnel, aka the relationship building blueprint. A typical funnel has 5 key stages. The first stage is awareness. They discover you. This is usually via social media, word of mouth, an ad, maybe you went and did direct marketing out in the community, or it's some other content you put out somewhere. Then there's interest. They like what they see and check you out. Maybe they follow you, sign up for a lead magnet, or watch a video. Then we move into consideration. They're thinking, okay, is this for me? They read your emails, they binge your content, maybe they even DM you with a question. Then we move into conversion. They say yes, they want to buy your offer, sign up for your membership, or book a call. Then the final stage is retention and growth. They stick around because they love you, they love your work, they refer friends, they buy more, and they become super loyal fans. This is always the goal. Funnels don't stop at the sale. They're about building relationships that keep growing. If you want to learn how to do marketing that's not icky, focus on the relationship. So funnels really are a guide to nurturing and converting without feeling gross. And here's the real beauty of a funnel. It's not about tricking people. It's about guiding them through their own decision-making process in a way that feels good for them and good for you. Without a funnel, you're hoping someone buys from you on an impulse. And spoiler alert, they rarely will. You're gently leading them through a process that feels natural, helpful, and aligned. And once it's set up and automated, it's something that you invested in the beginning and continues to deliver throughout the life cycle of your business. They aren't pushy, they're purposeful. So if you've ever been weirded out by funnels because they seem too salesy or manipulative or just too much, I truly get it. But when done right, a funnel is an invitation to connect. It's a way to serve them before you sell. It's a way to nurture instead of just asking people to buy. It's a way to make marketing feel human and not transactional. So now let's talk. What's the first step in your funnel going to look like? Drop your thoughts in the comments below.